APPH is a focused business on landing gear and hydraulic systems, supply and service. Our business is divided into two areas: the original equipment area, where we're designing and manufacturing new landing gear systems; the MRO, where we are supporting our in-service fleet and also third-party landing gear with spares and repairs. Our facilities are based on 5 sites, 4 in the UK, 1 in the US, and we're employing around 400 people. APPH has a broad range of customers in the markets of commercial, business and general aviation and military. In terms of our customers on business and general aviation, jets and turboprops, then we supply landing gear to Saab, Sweden, Hawker Beach, rotorcraft, both military and commercial. Typical customers will be APPH and Eurocopter. We also supply on military jets, trainers and transports, BAE Systems and Saab, and on unmanned air vehicles and unmanned combat air vehicles we supply BAE Systems. We have a very close relationship with our customers, and the top 10 customers represent 75% of our revenue. The OEM part of the business is really about the creation of IPR through the design and certification process. Our products have very long product life cycles, typically 40 years plus. During the development stage, which often lasts 5 to 6 years from contract signature before we get into series production, that process is working very closely with the customer as we develop our specifications and they develop their aircraft.
We're currently in the test and development area. We have a JAS 39 nose landing gear fatigue test rig. The purpose of the rig is to run the loads that the nose landing gear will see throughout its service life and to ensure that the product that we have is free from defect.
Our products are in service for a very long time, and during that time we're supplying the spares and repair and overhaul services that keep them flying. The IPR that we have means that we're very much in control of that revenue stream during the life of its programme, which in turn gives us very good pricing power. But we also undertake that service for other people, notably Boeing being one of our examples.
Aircraft landing gears and also the ancillary hydraulics come into here for repair and overhaul. Every usually 6 years, 12,000 landings, gears have to come in to be overhauled. That is a regulatory requirement. We strip the gears down, we check them for various aspects of wear, tear, and also we check them on NDT. We strip the paint completely off them so that we can visually check they're okay, etc. After that, we do the various repairs. Some of it might be the removal of corrosion, etc.
Our sales are split 40% military, 40% commercial and 20% business and general aviation. Product life cycles and the length of them means that the aftermarket revenue that we get means that our overall income from spares and repairs represents 65% of our total sales. The majority of our sales come from the UK with 40%, 30% come from the US and the remainder from the rest of the world. The area of opportunity for APPH is in those customers that have no particular alignment to landing gear suppliers. Good examples of that would be APPH and Sikorsky of America. The other area of opportunity for APPH is to displace existing customer supplier relationships. And an example for that for APPH where we've had some success is with Eurocopter, where we managed to displace Messier Doughty, and I think that was for 2 reasons. One was that we were able to put together an enhanced commercial package, and secondly it was due to the reluctance of Messier Doughty to stay in the smaller end of the market. The growth opportunities within our MRO business are about 2 things. One is the existing fleet continues to fly, and secondly, our continued delivery of OE business is increasing the fleet size, so we'll get inherent growth through that as well. During the process of rationalising our footprint, we took the opportunity as part of the consolidation process to redesign our principal assembly factory here in Runcorn. So we moved it from cellular manufacturing into a flow line that gives us much greater flexibility for changes in volume and mix. Our key barrier to entry is our ownership of IPR. That allows us to offer solutions to customers rather than just component compliance. The other barrier to entry is the investments that the customers make in us in the development stage. The switching costs are very high, and also we, as a matter of policy, manufacture all of the key parts in our facilities. And the other area is our technical expertise and know-how that's been built up over many years of design and development of landing gear systems and hydraulics. It's one of those things that if you haven't got it, it's difficult to get into it.